This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Maintenance-free living in a park-like setting only minutes from downtown Knoxville. Enjoy the historic character of this masterful renovation at Park Place. This top-floor corner unit features a truly unique lofted, open floor plan. The all-weather room provides plenty of multi-use space. 2 bedrooms, both with ensuite baths. Updated kitchen with classic coffee bar. The many amenities include a pool, basketball court, gym, gardens, tennis court, and courtyard. A must-see today. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.